The first thing I'm going to do is just grab one of the square mirror and this floral foam from Dollar Tree. I'm going to take some hot glue and attach it to the mirror like that. Then after that, I'm going to take a picture frame 5x7 and I'm going to take the inside out and I'm just going to use the frame. Then I'm going to place it like that just to know where to cut it. And then after I mark, I'm going to take my knife and start cutting it out and take a few pieces from the inside out, just like that. Then go ahead and place your frame inside. I'm going to take some hot glue and put some hot glue inside, and then I'm going to attach the frame inside. I'm going to put some flour all the way around it here. You could choose whatever color you're doing. So I'm going to use 2 different colors. You can use 1. It's up to you, however you want to do it. Then after I put all the flowers in the front, I'm going to do it in the back as well. Just make sure to do it all the way around and the centerpiece. Then after that, I took this little bow. This is optional if you want to put it, just a little cute so it can stand out. And then I took my little garland and I'm going to place some hot glue at the top, and then I'm going to attach it to the frame like that. So I'm going to do a few of them, like 3 of them like that, so it can come out super cute. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. This is something so simple to do and it came out so cute. This could be for a wedding, a decorations, a party, or any party theme that you have. You can also put in the middle like a number sign, like a table 2. It also will come out cute as well. For the next DIY, I'm gonna grab one of these wine glass and then I spray paint it in gold and I'm gonna put it upside down. Then I'm gonna take the floral foam and attach it to the glass on top just like that. And I'm gonna take my knife and just make like a little hole, like just a deep hole like that, then put some hot glue inside. And I'm going to take my frame and place it inside, but I'm just going to do it a little bit bent like that and then just place it like that. Then I'm going to put some more hot glue and the extra pieces I will have, just put it inside in both sides. This is to make it attach better. So make sure to do this step. Then I'm going to take my flower and fill it up with all the flowers the same way I did the other one and the first DIY that I did. Then after that, I got this little light. They have it in Dollar Tree. It's really new, so just go ahead and check it out. And you're going to place it in the middle, like in the front, on top of the floral foam, just like that. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. This is something so different that you guys can do at home, and I think it came out so cute. And here you could also put a number sign in the middle, so if you're doing like a table 2, table 3, I think it will come out as cute as well. For the next idea, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the same floral foam, but this one I'm gonna make a little bit deeper because I want the picture frame to go all the way down. So I'm gonna go ahead and place it all the way down. Then after that, I place it all the way down. So I could put the light and it won't fall apart. So I'm gonna do the same step that I did in the other one. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. This is to do it standing up instead of doing it sideways. It's up to you, however you guys want to do it. I give you 3 ideas. You decide which one you like the most. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.